Welcome to the official installation manual for the Kowint KS-60A energy storage system. Start by attaching the inverter mounting plate, then hang the inverter onto the rack. Secure it firmly using screws to ensure stability. Remove the base fixing bolts and take off the front and rear panels to prepare for wiring. Next, connect the auxiliary power DC output and communication ports to their respective connectors. Secure the OT terminals with M8 bolts. Using a recommended torque of 12 Newton meters. Turn the DC isolator to the on position and then press the power button to start up the system. Go to the settings menu, select system setting, then select battery setting. Choose the battery type as Kowint. Finally, navigate to the network settings and finish the Wi-Fi configuration to connect the system. After ensuring there are no alarms or faults, close the battery cabinet door and securely store the key.